Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Pam Station, and my name is Pam. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So in today's video I wanted to share my review on Huda Beauty's Glowish this is multi-dew skin tint. I've tried this and I'm wearing this right now. I would love to share some of my thoughts and feedback on this, and you can check it out. So I really love this skin tint. It's very good for if you're going to work, or college student, anything. It's very good for daily use. It's very light on skin and it's very easy to apply as well. You don't need to carry a brush or sponge, just need your fingers and you're sorted. So you can put this in your bag and you can carry it everywhere. So this is my look using this skin tint, and if in case you're interested to buy, I will share my details, this shade what I've used, everything in the description box below. And yes, this is now available in India as well. So right now I have nothing on my face, just a lip balm. So it comes in this kind of packaging. I really like this kind of I think this is plastic, and there is a pump, so you can use it little for one pump, and I took this much. Let's see how it looks. And it's not watery, the texture is medium thick. So I'm just applying. Shall I try with the fingers? You can even use finger, you can even use a sponge, beauty blender, or you can use a brush. So this is a skin tint which we plan to use it like every day. So I'm just using my finger. Let's see, I'm using my hand on one side of my face, and now it looks really dewy. Can you see? It looks so beautiful and it blends so well, and I think this is my perfect color. The color which I took is 04 light medium, and it is just applying like a moisturizer. I've just applied my favorite this is Ampule Centella. I have a detailed video on this. You can check the link on this iCard or in my description box. So it blends so well, and can you see this side of my face? There's nothing on my face right now, is just dry and it looks plain, but this side looks quite dewy. I'll just zoom you guys. This is plain, there is nothing here, but this looks so nice and dewy, where it's like giving me that healthy glow. My skin is looking very healthy, very dewy, very clean. And this Huda Beauty is vegan, it's cruelty free, and it does not have any kind of fragrance. So this is fragrance free as well. I got this for $37 on Sephora here in US, but it's now available in India as well on Nykaa. I just checked it yesterday. So you get it for 3,250 rupees. So my shade is 04 light medium. So if in case you come somewhere close to my shade, you can definitely try this shade. This is just perfect for me. Can you see? It looks so nice. Just apply, just do your eyebrows and lipstick and you're sorted for the day. So I'll just apply this side, and I think I really don't need a brush. You can use your just a fingers. Just one pump. Can you see? Just one pump applied this side. So let me apply on the other side. It is definitely giving me the second skin vibe. Just applying like a moisturizer, and it's not giving me any kind of pain to apply this foundation or skin tint. Wow. So my skin is definitely looking delicious, healthy, glowy, dewy. So I'll just do the rest of my face and come back. Guys, I am back, and I have not even set my face with the powder. It is same tint right away. I've just applied a little bit of lipstick and did my eyebrows, and and I applied little eyeliner, and that's it. There is no other makeup here and nothing. I didn't set my face with any powder or any compact. So I really love this. It's very amazing for everyday kind of look. Perfect skin shade, light medium. It's giving my face that skin a glow, dewy and healthy glow. So I would definitely recommend give this a try. I know this is slightly expensive, but you saw I just required one pump to do half of my face. So I really like the packaging. You can use little one pump at a time, and it's like less wastage of product. And the best part is, even if the product comes still here, you can cut with the scissors and dig in the product, so you don't need to waste any kind of product in this. So you can remove the product and fill it in any kind of small glass lip balm, empty lip balm. If you have, store it in that. You can use every drop of this product, so it's worth your money as well. So I would say this Huda Beauty, the glowish thing is this skin tint is fragrance free, it's waterproof, it's sweat proof, and also give a second skin vibes. It also claims its ingredients. If you see, it has rose oil, it has red bell pepper, squalene, which gives that healthy glow and also moisturized. Definitely I'm not feeling any kind of dryness on my face, and it's not at all irritating me at all. So it's definitely gives that healthy glow, and it's very hydrating on my skin. And also it's also mentioned this skin tint can be used with densely brush. You can use with damp sponge or fingers. I would prefer using fingers because this is very light, not thick like a thick foundation. So finally I would say definitely recommend give this a try. So guys, I hope you like my review. If in case you're interested to buy this product, I will share the link in my description box below. It's available on Sephora, on Nykaa, and if it's available on Amazon, I will definitely share the link in my description box below. Please do follow me on Instagram. My ID is Just Chill with Pam. You can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter. I will share all the links in my description box below. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. I've completed 2,000 subscribers. Help me reach 10,000. I would definitely appreciate all your support. Please share your feedback on my video. I will love reading your comments as well. Thank you so much for all your love and support. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.